Hi, I'm the Foldster, partnering today with the Ninja Raccoons to be able to bring you a tutorial for this Origami Ninja Raccoon mask. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have a two-colored piece of paper. First, what we need to do is to fold it in half, both this way and the other way. Make sure you get that lined up. Now we're going to fold one of the corners into the center here. Now this is important. We're going to go up 1/3 of the way up the side of this piece of paper and crease it. You know you have a third when there's equal parts on the left and right side when you're making the crease. So just pinch it like that. And then we're going to make a fold from this corner down to where we folded the third. So we see we have that slight angle here. Make sure that we got the line correct. And give it a nice sharp crease. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So 1/3 down. Oh, wrong side. Okay. There we go. 1/3 from the bottom corner. That looks good. Give it a pinch. And make that crease. Sometimes when you're holding it in your hands, it's actually easier to fold it away from you so you can see what you're doing. So I'm going to fold it away from me here, and then I'm just going to reverse the fold to make it a valley fold again. All right. Now we're going to fold the bottom corner up to the center. Just to get this crease ready for another step. Now this one's going to be a bit tricky. See this point here, not the point in the center, but the point that we just made by folding the thirds. We're going to take halfway on the sides of the sheet of paper and fold it to that new point that we've created. And again, these are valley folds, but I'm folding them as mountain folds so I can make sure that I'm folding them to the right place. So now we have those creases in place and we need to reverse them to make them valley folds. A lot easier once the crease is already there. Now this is going to be the hardest step. It helps if you put it on the table for this one. We're going to be doing a squash fold. So with that point that we just created in the center there, we're going to bring the two sides in and make creases. We haven't exactly told the paper where to make the creases yet, but when we start folding and squashing the paper down, if we try to keep it symmetrical and bring those sides in, it'll guide the creases to where they need to be. So very carefully, we're just going to bring this paper down, keep it symmetrical, and those curves that we put in the sides there now become sharp edges. Now we're going to flip the model over, bring this tab that we created down, flip it back over, now we're going to be making the nose. So bring the bottom corner up to the cross there. Now we're going to be making the eyes. This is another tricky one, so we're going to fold this flap over. Try not to make a sharp crease here. We just need room to work with. The diagrams really help with this step. We're going to bring this edge down on a diagonal on the right and horizontal on the left. So we're going to fold the top raw edge to the side here, like this, and the left edge down. We can't do both at the same time without flattening it back over to the left. So if we do that, that gives us a nice triangular eye. And we'll do the same on the right side. Bring the top edge to the left edge. Give that a nice crease. And then the top edge here across this horizontal fold. And there we go. We're almost done. Now we fold that flap back up, and we fold the two sides, the bottom of the face, back behind. So right where we have that fold there, just wrap it around, give it a nice crease. And on the other side, see how we have this pink triangle at the top here that's in this pocket. We need to open the model just a little bit so we have enough room to take this triangle and fold it up. Like so. And fold it back down over those flaps. And there's the back side of the model. So now we have a two-faced raccoon. This is the ninja side. And if you want, you can unfold the face and the nose and bottom portion to get a whole new look. So if you instead fold the tab this way and fold the sides behind, like this, we even get two more faces. So really, there's 4 faces in total. There we go. That's how you make an origami ninja raccoon.